Alright everybody, this is Jacob Guar here. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own comic book protection sleeves for if you're shipping a comic book to somebody for Christmas, maybe making some money. Basically, I grabbed this cutout here, rough cutout, sketched it out here, and now I'm going to cut out a nice clean sleeve for this comic book here. Alrighty, now that I got everything cut up, corners nice and cleaned up a little bit here and there, little pieces of little access from cutting it out. Now all I gotta do is fold up the edges and I'll be able to ready to have a nice cardboard sleeve. And so basically this is what your sleeve is gonna look like completed, ready to rock and roll, ship out, you know.